are you selling?
I am selling chili sauce. Bak. Burada kapak var. Üstünde var mı?
Ne kadar chili sauce? Ne kadar?
Ne kadar?
Ay, unuttum mu?
Unuttum.
30 lira.
30 lira. Evet. 30 lira al. Senin chili sauce.
Is it spicy?
Evet, it's spicy.
Hot? Is it hot? Spicy?
Evet, it's hot.
Çok mu?
Evet, çok hot.
Who can buy this chili sauce? Who can buy chili sauce?
Ana buy chili sauce.
Who else? Who can buy?
Ama it's so hot.
So hot. Okay. Can I buy 3 tane?
Evet.
Okay. I will take 3 tane lütfen.
Tamam. Al.
Okay. Bir. I will buy this one. This one. Okay. One more.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, you sell to Sasha.
Herkes ister.
Oh, tell Sasha.
Merhaba Sasha.
Okay.
Sen hangisi istersen?
Hmm.
Bu mu, bu mu, bu mu?
Sasha. Sasha asking how much is the chili sauce. 30? 30
30.
lira.
30 lira.
30 lira. 30.
30 lira ama so hot. So hot anne.
Really?
Evet.
Oh my god. I will eat too much if it's so hot.
Yes. Hasta oluyorsun anne.
No. I'm not. I will not get sick. I love
Anne,
spicy.
it's so hot. Acı.
Aji, yeah. I love aji.
Ah.
How about Baba can eat this one?
Yes.
Okay. You sell to Baba.
Baba.
Canım.
Burada sos var. Hadi gel sen de.
Baba,
Tamam babacığım.
buy chili sauce. Baba, nakit var. Nakit baba. Credit card yok. Tamam baba.
Evet.
Nakit. Only nakit. O, say bye-bye na.
Bye bye.
Bye bye Denise.